Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or opening mail video. Today we have something from Patch Country on Etsy. So feel free to check them out. Patch Country on Etsy. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Let's see how we can get this envelope open. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, no manifest. It's fine. Luckily I took some notes. So, conveniently on the top we have a Hello Captain America Kitty military hook patch. So let's see here. Some of these are all stuck together. Pretty high quality. Yeah, heat sealed edges. That's a very fine cut right there. Very interesting. But the stitching's pretty good and firmly attached to the backing. But yeah, every whisker is separate on here. That's pretty cool. And they don't have any patches of that level of detail. Alright, next up we have Planet Express Futurama patch, embroidered hook. So Futurama Planet Express. The rocket trails are also very finely cut as well. Interesting style of patch work. So definitely artist creation style. Now these two are a little bit different cut from these two here. So these are a little bit more harder to find since they became meme worthy and with a little bit of now divided opinion on these. So these are Kekistan Lord Kek patch hook brand fastener. So I think that implies possibly the company that starts with V and ends with O and with the letters ELCR in the middle. So two of these, working our way backwards. Definitely a different embroider pattern, I think, than the other two. These have multiple direction. This one has multiple direction stitching. I can see. This one, I believe so as well, because the head definitely you can see the reflection is different than the body. Very cool optical effect, though. I like that. That as well has a cool optical effect. These two have a different stitch pattern to the embroidery, so kind of a very tight X pattern there. So two of the Kekistan Lord Kek patches, Futurama Planet Express patch, embroidered hook, and we started off with a Hello Captain America Kitty military hook patch. So these all came from Patch Country on Etsy. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. This has been another unboxing or opening mail video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, mill syrup tools, and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.